Have you ever wished you had the power to persuade others to see things from your perspective and take action? Whether you're a leader, a salesperson, or simply someone looking to build stronger relationships, influencing others is a vital skill that can help you achieve your goals. But how do you get people to do what you want without resorting to manipulation or coercion? The answer lies in understanding human psychology and behavior. Here are 16 methods to get people to do what you want while fostering positive and ethical relationships. Before we move forward, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. 1. Build trust. Trust is the cornerstone of successful relationships, providing a foundation of integrity, honesty, and transparency. Establishing trust is essential for effective influence, requiring consistent reliability and authenticity in both words and actions. When individuals view you as trustworthy, they are more likely to listen to your requests and comply willingly. Trust is cultivated through genuine interactions and dependable behavior, evolving over time through mutual respect and understanding. Building trust is a gradual process that requires patience and dedication, but the benefits of fostering trust are invaluable in facilitating cooperation and collaboration. By prioritizing trustworthiness in your interactions, you lay the groundwork for strong and enduring relationships built on mutual respect and reliability. 2. Communicate clearly. Clear and concise communication is the cornerstone of effective influence. Expressing your desires in a manner that leaves no room for misunderstanding is crucial. Ensure that your requests are specific, straightforward, and devoid of ambiguity. By providing all necessary details and context, you facilitate a clear understanding of your expectations. When individuals grasp precisely what is being asked of them, they are more likely to respond promptly and without hesitation. Clear communication fosters a sense of clarity and alignment, laying the groundwork for successful cooperation and achievement of mutual goals. 3. Understand their needs. In the realm of influence, it's imperative to grasp the needs, desires, and motivations of others. Empathy serves as a vital tool in this pursuit, allowing you to deeply understand their perspective and motivations. By empathizing with their experiences and emotions, you gain valuable insights into their inner workings. Stepping into their shoes enables you to discern what matters most to them and what drives their behavior. Understanding their unique circumstances and aspirations empowers you to tailor your requests in a manner that resonates with their interests and priorities. When your appeals are aligned with their needs, individuals are more likely to respond positively. This empathetic approach fosters a sense of connection and rapport, establishing a strong foundation for collaboration and mutual understanding. By demonstrating genuine empathy and consideration for others, you cultivate trust and respect, paving the way for effective communication and cooperation. Through empathetic engagement, you can build meaningful relationships and drive positive outcomes that benefit all parties involved. 4. Offer value. Human behavior is often driven by the anticipation of gain or advantage. To encourage cooperation from others, it's vital to demonstrate the inherent value in your requests. Offer incentives, rewards, or tangible benefits in exchange for their compliance. By illustrating how their cooperation will positively impact them, you appeal to their self-interest and motivation. Whether it's the promise of personal growth, professional advancement, or tangible rewards, providing value creates a compelling proposition for action. Highlight the mutual benefits that stem from their cooperation, nurturing a sense of reciprocity and collective success. When individuals recognize the value embedded in your requests, they are more likely to lend their support and actively contribute to the achievement of shared objectives. By emphasizing the tangible benefits and shared rewards, you create a persuasive incentive structure that motivates individuals to engage wholeheartedly in collaborative efforts, fostering a culture of mutual support and achievement. 5. Negativity robs your power. Maintaining composure in the workplace is crucial to preserving your professional reputation and relationships. Reacting negatively or impulsively toward a colleague not only diminishes your authority, but also empowers them in the situation. Instead, it's advisable to manage negative emotions constructively by venting to a trusted confidant, such as a friend or mentor. Author and psychologist Sebastian Salacrou emphasizes the importance of kindness, courtesy, compassion, and a positive attitude in fostering cooperation and goodwill among colleagues. By embodying these qualities, you not only cultivate a supportive work environment, but also inspire others to reciprocate your behavior. Ultimately, maintaining a calm and composed demeanor enables you to navigate workplace challenges effectively while preserving your personal and professional integrity. 6. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement serves as a potent tool in shaping and sustaining desired behaviors. When individuals receive praise and acknowledgement for complying with your requests, they are more likely to replicate such behavior in the future. This cycle of reinforcement strengthens the bond between you and the individual, fostering mutual trust and respect. Positive reinforcement can manifest in various forms, ranging from verbal expressions of praise to tangible rewards or public acknowledgement of achievements. By highlighting the specific accomplishments and contributions of individuals, you communicate genuine appreciation and value for their efforts. This not only boosts morale but also cultivates a positive and supportive environment where individuals feel motivated to consistently meet your expectations. Through the consistent application of positive reinforcement, you can establish a culture of excellence and collaboration within your team or organization. This, in turn, fuels a continuous cycle of improvement and achievement, driving towards shared goals and objectives with enthusiasm and determination. 7. Build rapport. Rapport is the foundation of meaningful relationships and effective communication. By establishing a genuine connection with others, you create an atmosphere of trust and mutual respect. Building rapport involves engaging in small talk, actively listening to their concerns, and finding common ground. Show genuine interest in their lives, hobbies, and aspirations, and be willing to share aspects of yourself as well. When individuals feel a personal connection with you, they are more receptive to your requests and more willing to lend their support. Additionally, building rapport enables you to navigate conflicts and disagreements more effectively, as it strengthens the underlying bond between you. By investing time and effort in building rapport, you lay the groundwork for productive and harmonious relationships that facilitate cooperation and collaboration. 8. Be persuasive. Persuasion is an art form that requires finesse and strategic communication. It involves crafting your requests in a manner that captivates and convinces your audience. Utilize a combination of logical reasoning, emotional appeal, and factual evidence to bolster your case. Present compelling arguments that resonate with the values and interests of the individual you are seeking to influence. Tailor your approach to suit their unique personality and preferences, leveraging communication styles that resonate with them. Whether it's appealing to their sense of logic, stirring their emotions, or providing concrete evidence, persuasive communication can profoundly impact your ability to sway others to your way of thinking. 9. Lead by example. Leading by example is a powerful leadership principle that inspires others to follow suit. It involves embodying the behavior and values that you wish to instill in others. By practicing what you preach, you establish credibility and authenticity, earning the respect and admiration of those around you. Demonstrating unwavering commitment, dedication, and integrity sets a standard of excellence that others are compelled to emulate. When you lead by example, you create a ripple effect that motivates others to rise to the occasion and strive for greatness. 10. Create a sense of urgency. Creating a sense of urgency can be a powerful motivator for prompt action. Emphasizing the importance and timeliness of your request effectively communicates its urgency. Clearly explain the potential consequences of not acting promptly, illustrating the impact on timelines, outcomes, or opportunities. However, it's crucial to use this tactic judiciously to avoid undue stress or pressure on individuals. Be mindful of their workload and priorities, and ensure that the urgency is warranted and reasonable. By striking the right balance, you can inspire a sense of purpose and drive without overwhelming or demotivating individuals. Ultimately, creating a sense of urgency should spur proactive and decisive action while fostering a supportive and respectful work environment. 11. Appeal to their emotions. Emotions serve as powerful catalysts for human behavior, steering our decisions and actions in profound ways. When seeking to influence others, harnessing the potency of emotions can be remarkably persuasive. Craft your message with precision, aiming to evoke empathy, compassion, or excitement, thereby forging a profound emotional connection with your audience. Share compelling narratives that mirror their own experiences and aspirations, prompting a heartfelt response. By tapping into their emotions, you have the potential to ignite a fervent sense of passion and urgency, compelling them to take decisive action. Emotional appeals possess the capacity to deeply resonate with individuals, instilling within them a fervent motivation to align with your overarching goals and objectives. 12. Use reciprocity. Reciprocity is a fundamental principle of human interaction, suggesting that individuals feel obliged to repay kindness and favors. By leveraging the principle of reciprocity, you can foster a culture of mutual support and cooperation. When you extend a helping hand or go out of your way to assist others, they are more inclined to reciprocate in kind. Build genuine relationships based on trust and generosity, where each party feels valued and supported. By cultivating a spirit of reciprocity, you create a positive feedback loop of goodwill and collaboration. When you invest in others and offer assistance without expecting anything in return, you lay the foundation for long-term relationships built on trust and mutual benefit. Embrace the principle of reciprocity as a guiding principle in your interactions, and watch as it fosters a culture of generosity and reciprocity within your personal and professional networks. 13. Be assertive, not aggressive. Assertiveness is a communication style characterized by the confident expression of one's needs and desires while respecting the rights and boundaries of others. It entails finding a delicate balance between passivity and aggression, where individuals can assert themselves without resorting to intimidation or coercion. Assertive communication involves clearly stating your requests and expectations while actively listening to the perspectives of others. By demonstrating respect for yourself and those around you, you foster a positive and collaborative atmosphere conducive to effective communication. Assertiveness engenders trust and mutual respect, making it more likely for individuals to respond positively to your requests. When you communicate assertively, you convey confidence and conviction while maintaining an open and respectful dialogue. 14. Provide options. Empowering individuals to make choices enhances their sense of autonomy and investment in the decision-making process. Instead of presenting a single request, offer multiple options for individuals to consider. Providing choices allows individuals to select the option that best aligns with their preferences and circumstances, fostering a sense of control and ownership. By involving individuals in the decision-making process, you increase their willingness to comply with your requests. Additionally, offering options demonstrates flexibility and adaptability, catering to the diverse needs and preferences of individuals. When individuals feel empowered to make choices, they are more likely to engage proactively and commit to the chosen course of action. Providing options promotes collaboration and shared decision-making, leading to more favorable outcomes for all parties involved. 15. Use social proof. Social proof is a powerful psychological phenomenon wherein individuals look to the actions of others to guide their own behavior. To leverage social proof effectively, showcase examples of how others have successfully complied with similar requests and reaped the benefits. Provide testimonials, case studies, or examples of individuals who have achieved positive outcomes by following your guidance. By highlighting the experiences of others, you demonstrate that your requests are not only reasonable but also aligned with the actions of respected peers. Social proof taps into the innate desire to conform and be part of a group, making it a potent tool for influencing behavior. By leveraging the influence of group behavior, you can encourage individuals to follow suit and align with your objectives. 16. Follow up. Following up is a crucial step in ensuring that individuals take action on your requests. Sometimes, people may need gentle reminders or additional support to follow through. Politely follow up on your requests, reiterating the importance and providing any necessary assistance. By demonstrating your commitment and dedication, you reinforce the significance of the task and keep it top of mind for the individual. However, it's essential to ensure that your follow-ups are respectful and not perceived as nagging. Strike a balance between persistence and courtesy, acknowledging the individual's autonomy while gently nudging them towards action. Follow-ups show that you value their input and are invested in the success of the endeavor, ultimately increasing the likelihood of compliance. Getting people to do what you want is a blend of art and science. It requires understanding human behavior, effective communication, and building positive relationships. By employing these 16 strategies, you can enhance your ability to influence others ethically and constructively. Remember, the goal is not to manipulate but to create win-win situations where both parties benefit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video.